Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can use Debrid with Stremio. So the first step, you need to search for real Debrid. So search here. Okay, and you need to go on to the first website. Okay, here you can see economics, speed and many hosts. So let's suppose I want to go with economic. Click on learn more. Okay, so first you need to sign up and create your account here. Okay, and you need to complete all detail and click on sign up. Once sign up complete, you have three packages, that is economic, speed and many hosters. So let's suppose I want to buy this, so you simply need to buy this, and once you buy, you can use that in your Stremio and that will enhance your experience in Stremio. So this is the process how you can use real Debrid with Stremio. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.